Why do you even want to save the Amazon rainforest? It's worthless anyways.
No, it's not. The Amazon rainforest is the world's greatest natural resource, the most powerful and bioactively diverse natural phenomenon. And it's just getting destroyed by people like you.
People like me? I'm the one that made that piece of paper.
I don't need this piece of paper. Please come back. I don't need this piece of paper because I need the things like medical plants, fruits, nuts, oils, and other resources like rubber and chocolate and chicle more than I need this little piece of paper. And if timber were harvested and if cattle are burned on for farming operations, sustainable harvesting of these types of natural resources provides this value today as our long-term income profits year after year after year.
All I heard of that was blah, 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 blah.
Start listening then.
Sit down and shut up.
Here you go. Maybe you'll make some sense out of it.
Did you know tropical rainforests are thought to contain 50% of all the Earth's species, plants, and animals? They cover about 6% of land's surface.
And what else?
8,000 years ago, they covered about double the current area. Rainforests are priceless and economically fertile source of food and medicine, wood and water, building and craft materials, and much, much more.
What's your point again?
Rainforests also play a vital role in the planet's water and carbon cycles and in regulating climate. Yet today, rainforest destruction releases more CO2 than cars, planes, and trains combined.
And I'm falling asleep.
It's also the richest biological indicator on the planet. It supports millions of plants, animal, and insect species.
So, what are your reasons to save the Amazon rainforest?
We should save the Amazon rainforest because it helps stabilize the world's climate and also acts as a source of water to many rivers in South America. And the Amazon also plays a big role in maintaining the water cycle. If the Amazon rainforest was a country, it would be the 9th largest.
It'd be the 9th largest. Well, it's going to pretty soon be the 62nd largest because I'm going to chop more trees down.
I honestly give up. I give up. I'm done.
So what are your, solutions in trying to make me,
Join an organization that helps save the rainforest. Then eventually the people that want to chop down the trees will be outnumbered. Reduce paper, wood, oil, and beef consumption. Hold illegal businesses accountable.
I kind of get you now. I'm sorry. I will stop.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Save the Amazon rainforest! Woo!